So these next three I'm going to move through a little faster. So arctan of root 3. First, we know that arctan can only fall between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. So we know that we're only looking on this side of our unit circle. Now we're looking for where tangent is positive. All students take calculus. So right here, tangent would be negative. So that means our reference angle must fall in this quadrant. Now, which angle has a tangent of square root of 3? That is pi over 3. So arctangent of root 3 is pi over 3 only. Number 16. Now we have arcsine. Just like arctangent, we only look between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2 for our inverse, which is the right side of that unit circle. So we're looking at a positive root 2 over 2. All students take calculus. Well, on this right side, I know that sine is negative in this quadrant. Therefore, my reference angle must fall here. Which angle has sine of square root 2 over 2? That is pi over 4. So we don't want all answers, only our inverse answers. So now, arctangent. Again, just like sine, it falls only between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2, which is the right side of the unit circle. So I need to look at where tangent is negative. All students take calculus. Tangent will not be negative here. Therefore, my reference angle must fall in this quadrant. Which angle has a tangent of 30? Well, remember, if we're going down this way, it's going to be negative pi over 6. So inverse tangent of negative square root 3 is negative pi over 6. So I like showing these visuals here. Notice that arcsine and arctangent are always on the right side of your unit circle. And arccosine, I only had one example, but arccosine is the only one that you take from the top half.